Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Amadur Rahman and I am a student of final year in Namal University, Miyawali. Today, I will tell you about my final year project, which is TikTok Shop exploring consumers on TikTok. As we all know that buying and selling have been in this world from the start of mankind and it has evolved through time. So in this 21st century, the world we now live in is called a global village where everyone and everything is connected. So why stay with traditional means? My main idea is that to enter and penetrate different international markets while sitting anywhere in this world. There are two major problems. First is creating a business from the minimum cost, as we all know that Pakistan is a developing country and people don't have the cost to create a business. And the second problem is that it should have the lowest risk, as people don't have enough spare money to endure that loss or endure that risk. So these are the two major risks that I think that are the problems which people face while doing or creating a business. The cost of creating a business on TikTok shop or creating a TikTok shop is minimum in UK we can create an LTD for about 3 to 4 thousand and we can create a TikTok shop in almost about 8 to 10 thousand. So the cost issue is solved in a way in this TikTok shop. Second is the risk. As we all know that there are many risks involved, but mainly is the policies is of the government. In developing countries like in Pakistan, there is an unstable policy, so there it involves a huge risk. So why could not go for the international markets where they have a strong policy making and don't have an unstable economy or unstable policy issues? My main objective is to create a wholesale shop on which I can expand my business more and more and eventually go for a private label. Till now, I have generated an organic gross sales of $403. After the complete expansion of my business or objectives which I want to achieve till now are completed, I want to create an office in which I want to create jobs for the people. As we know that Pakistan is facing a huge problem of unemployment, and so I will try to contribute in this issue and try to mitigate this problem as much as I can and try to create employment. Also, in the long run, it will create awareness that how we can reach international markets while sitting anywhere in this world. So it will create a lot of improvement in Pakistan or in developing countries like Pakistan, and people will try to be independent for themselves while sitting anywhere in this world, in Pakistan or anywhere in this world. Thank you for your time.